Death is coming. Look at this. Higher said he was concerned with the birds in the trees when I asked him about his creation. What does he think about his creation? Look at that. I am seeing them by the thousands. And these birds are talking. I came outside to speak with him. He's tired. This is death. You see that? Are you ready for the death angel? I've been out here a good 5 minutes and I've seen over 1,000. You see that? They're in the trees. They're everywhere surrounding this house. They're still coming. These are going to pick up souls. The Most High stated you're making a mockery of him releasing his volcanoes from the ground. We just had a conversation inside. And I came out. And this was the sign that he gave me. See that?